My name is Elsa Antunes and I am an associate professor in mechanical engineering at James Cook University. My research area is advanced materials and manufacturing. So in this lab where we are filming this video, we are developing materials and 3D printing materials that we can use in applications, for example, defense, aerospace, but as well as in biomedical applications. So in fact, we have a very strong partnership with industry, for example, Lockheed Martin Australia, where we are developing ceramics for high temperature environments and as well for extreme environments. Ceramic materials are in fact amazing. So the melting point is one of the most important properties. The melting point can go up to 4,000 degrees. However, ceramics in general, they are brittle. In our lab, we create the first 3D printed material that can be flexible. So we are solving some of the critical challenges that we are facing in the application of ceramics in this lab. So if you believe that you have a technical challenge where ceramics can make a difference, please come and talk to us. Our main objective is in fact to develop research that can be applicable in the industry. And we are super keen to increase our network in terms of the applications.